Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoiint and today is the day we are unboxing and taking a closer look at the 007 First Light Legacy Collector's Edition. Well, this is actually the VIP Legacy Edition and I'm going to show you what we get inside, including the golden gun, hidden compartment and some really cool limited edition stuff. But before we jump in, who's hyped to play the game? And I really need to say a massive thanks to IO Interactive for gifting me this today so I could show you guys on the channel. Okay, so here's the box that it comes in, and this looks so nice. It's all black, but with this matte black finish to it with a huge 007 logo that wraps around the entire box. So it starts at the back and then ends with the 7 logo on the front. There's also a 007 logo on the top of the box, and as this is the VIP edition, it has that down here at the bottom. Otherwise, it's the same as what you get with the Legacy edition. And if we turn this around, there's a golden gun image on the side. I also got this gold envelope inside with a huge card that almost looks like a menu you'd get in a restaurant. But inside that is basically telling me that I can show you guys this today on the channel. Right, let's get this opened up and see what we get. And here we go. So it looks like everything is stored away in this hard case, and I love that it's got the iconic gun barrel image in the middle here. If you've ever played a Bond game or watched a Bond movie before, you'll know exactly what this is. And then in the bottom right corner, there's the 007 logo indented into the case. And over here on the right corner, there's a golden plaque, which I was not expecting to see. This reads 48 of 300, so I guess that means the VIP version is a limited edition piece. And then if we slide the top off, this is where the rest of the stuff is. So first up, we have a letter from the game director which says, "Dear player, thanks for picking up 007 First Light. It's more than a game, it's a celebration." Now I won't read it all in case you want to experience this for yourself. But before I show you the gun, if we flip this base over, there's actually a hidden compartment underneath it contains a few extra pieces. And first up is the Steelbook Case. Now I'm a sucker for collecting steelbooks and this one looks really nice. I like the black and gold theme and it has the 007 logo indented into the case and a golden 7 logo behind that. And then if you look really closely down at the bottom, we have the First Light logo, which you just about see as I turn it around. Then if we flip this over, we have the 00 on the back and the First Light is written on this spine here. So this will look great if it's stacked with any other steelbooks that you've already got. Now I've not decided yet where I'm going to place this, but it will definitely be going on my wall this weekend. I'm just not sure which one I'm going to swap it out for. But then inside the case, there are a couple of other bits. So this right here is a certificate of authenticity. I was expecting it to be made from plastic or maybe even card, but this is a very thin piece of metal so it immediately feels quality and premium. This is a nice touch and you will get one of these with both of those collector's editions. And also inside the Steelbook case there's a golden 007 logo that's actually a magnet. Again, this is a nice touch and you could stick this somewhere in your setup or even on your fridge if you really wanted to. And you know what, this is really good quality. I will show you in a second though where I'm going to keep mine. Because the moment that we've all been waiting for, the golden gun figurine or replica. Oh man, this looks so nice. If you're a GoldenEye fan like I am, you'll know how cool this is. So this statue comes in 2 parts. We have the base that we took the Steelbook case out of earlier, and then we have the top part here which contains the golden gun. And you know what? This thing is heavy. It feels really weighty, a lot more than I was expecting. And if you flip this over, here's what it looks like around the back. So various logos and the slot to attach it to the base. Now all we need to do is fit the metal pole to the base and slot the top part on and voila, we now have this awesome looking figurine. I actually think this has come out far nicer than I hoped for. Like the quality and the finish on this gold looks great. Now just to note though, this is plastic and not metal, so although it's heavy, the piece itself is plastic, but finished in this glossy metal looking paint. There's the barrel, the textured finish at the back, and even the trigger has a really nice unique look to it. Now I know at least one person is going to ask this, can we remove the gun from the moulding or from the casing? Well, I did pull this apart and nope, this is a half moulded piece. So yes, you could unscrew it, but you would literally be holding half a gun. But then back to the mould, we have one golden bullet engraved here with 007 on the side. I've only got 1 bullet in this VIP edition, but in the retail version, you do actually get 5. Also, another change on mine is I get a small 007 First Light plaque in black at the top, whereas yours will have the, in my opinion, nicer golden plaque. And if you remember that magnet 007 logo that we had before, that can slot right into the case here so you can see it with your golden gun. However, there is something I want to show you guys. So if I press the play on the front panel, we get this message for us to listen to today.
Chris, well met. Oh, I know what you're thinking. The mask. It's a bit much, isn't it? Clearly this bloke is off his rocker. Then again, maybe that's what he wants you to think. Food for thought. So, I hear you're chasing a number. It's most enterprising of you. If I may offer you just one friendly piece of advice. Quit now. Walk away. Seek your glory and your validation elsewhere. Or this will be the last face you ever see. Good talk.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. As for where I'm going to store it or show it, I've not decided yet. It might go over here on my main shelves, or I might place it on my black shelves near my other setup. I think it looks quite good underneath the Ghost of Yote statue. Another thing with the Collector's Edition is we get the Deluxe Edition content as well. So this includes 4 exclusive outfits for bonds such as the Day of the Dead, Desert Explorer, Silent Anchor and Gentleman. There's also the Gleaming Pack, which contains golden accessories like the in-game Golden Lighter, 1 new weapon skin, the Golden Gun skin and the Obsidian Gold suit. These can all be redeemed once you've installed the game, and as I say, that is part of the Deluxe Edition content. Another cool thing that I saw this week that I had to include is the First Light Coca-Cola collaboration. I picked them up from Sainsbury's and it looks like they've gone all out and created a limited edition run for their cans and bottles for the game this month. They all look pretty cool and they are sugar-free as well as caffeine-free, which to be honest is all I drink anyway, so perfect timing to grab a box. Now with both of the collector's editions, the Golden Gun and the Mask edition, they do come with a physical game inside the box as well. I would love to have shown you this today, but unfortunately the VIP edition does not come with one. There is a physical cutout for one in the box, so this was just to tease me today, because it looks like I need to wait until launch day to actually play it. There's also the limited edition PS5 controller that I have pre-ordered for when it drops next week. Obviously I cannot show you that today, but I will do a short unboxing next week. As for the game and the gameplay, guys, this game looks so good. We've been pretty spoiled this month with games like Forza Horizon 6 and Lego Batman, but I'm hyped to play this. It is coming to the PS5, Xbox Series and PC, but I will definitely be playing it on the PS5 Pro. Now, I'm not sure how much you know about the game so far, but basically you play as a young, inexperienced Bond before a fully fledged 00 agent. So kind of before the suits and before he's big time. It's got that rugged, amateur feeling to it that I really like. It also feels very much like an IO interactive game, so if you've played the Hitman games before, you'll know exactly what I mean. We've got a single player storyline which they have said will take about 20 hours. It's going to be proper cinematic, loads of stealth, car chases, takedowns and so on. Otherwise, here's some gameplay to enjoy until the game fully drops on May 27th. Let me know who's hyped to play. Until then, drop a 007 First Light in the comments and I'll give you a thumbs up for staying right till the end. And if you did enjoy today's video, check out my new 170-inch gaming glasses video next. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow me everywhere. Until next time.
Well, what are we waiting for? No sign of 009.
We need to inform M.
No time. I'm going after him. Make him call off the attack.
Are you out of your mind?
I'll be careful. He'd been the phone.
Go to the security room, first floor.
And you are?
Rob Minkley.
He's with me.